Welcome back, guys. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to make your first design file. Click on this new design file when you're on the draft section. Click on this new design file. Your file will be created in just seconds. Now click on this untitled area. Rename the file. Let's say I want to say this file YouTube UX UI. Okay. Now I want you to press F button on your keyboard. Press F, and you will see this on the right side. There are too many options of iPhone, desktop, and tablet version also. For this video, I will be creating two versions for the phones and one for the desktop. So first, let's click on this page one area. Click this, rename it, and say mobile. Second one will be desktop. Desktop. So in the mobile version, let's choose phone and select iPhone 8 because I think that will be the standard version for all the mobile devices. Now click Alt and from your mouse just click it and right drag it so it will replicate the same. Also, if you now press Ctrl plus D, it will replicate itself. And press Ctrl plus D and it will replicate n number of times. See, Ctrl plus D, Ctrl plus D. Okay. Press Shift plus 1 and it will zoom out. So now let's rename this tabs. Let's say I want to say home page. Second one will be product details, product details. Third one will be checkout, and fourth one will be confirmation. Okay, so now we have renamed the file. Let's do the same thing for our what's a desktop version. Okay, see the mobile version is over here. The desktop version is here. Click on this, press F, or you can select from here also. Select frame and click the desktop and click on this desktop. You can choose from the Mac version also. I'm on the Windows, so that's why I'm selecting desktop. Click on this, Shift 1, and let's just zoom in a little bit. Yes, Alt, drag it to the right side, and your replica will be done. Now, press Ctrl plus D, and it will replicate itself n number of times. Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Okay, Shift 1, it will zoom out, and let's rename the same to home page and all of this stuff. Home page, home page, home page, product details, checkout, information. Okay, so now we have done the same thing for our mobile and desktop version. See, we have renamed the same also. Home page, product details, checkout, and confirmation. Same goes for the mobile version. In the next video, I will be telling you how to make our first designs through rectangles and circles. See you guys in the next video.